Hello everyone, welcome to the HardReset channel, and today I'm going to show you how to change the aspect ratio on the Sony A6400 camera. So the first thing that we're going to do is press the menu button to open up the settings, and then we're going to select aspect ratio. So we're going to go to the camera section number 1 and find aspect ratio. And here you have three options, so 30:2, 16:9, and 1:1. So you select the option that you want, and then if you exit out, you will see that the option has changed, or your aspect ratio has changed. So that's about it. Thank you for watching. I hope this video helps, and make sure to like and subscribe.